Do you want to store multiple values like numbers, names, or something in a single place? In Python, lists help you to do exactly that. Hello guys, welcome to Python List Masterclass. In this quick video, you'll understand what a Python list is and how to create your very first list in Python. So a list in Python is collection of items. So we can say ordered collection of items. It can hold multiple values like numbers, strings, or even mix of data types even all in a single variable. So you can think of a list is like something a shopping basket, so where you can try to keep your vegetables, fruits, dairy products, etc. all in one place. Similarly, Python lists hold multiple elements, so where you can access, add, remove, or even modify. So now let's see how do we create a Python list. So I'll go to Python ideally. So I'll just take a numbers list. So where I can hold the value 10, 20, 30, 40. Let's print that. Similarly, if I want to hold fruits, I can say apple, banana, mango. Let's print that. Yes. So even if you want to hold mixture of these both also we can hold. I'll just take one variable called list1. I'll try to hold 10, 20, followed by apple, followed by banana. So we were able to hold. Right. So but why should you care about lists? So why we need to use list? So let's try to understand that. So if you want to use the concept list, so we can say that, so whatever we want to store multiple values, all those we can store in a single variable. So now let's see here. So we have the value number to 5. So we want to hold multiple values like 15, 26, 37, 45. So all these can't be stored in this single variable. So that's the reason. So comes the picture of our list. So if you want to even modify, so what the elements you want to have, so all those can be happened. So let's say if I want to modify, add, remove, change, all those things would be possible in the existing list. If you observe, if I want to modify this value 26 and I want to replace that value with the value 90, I can simply do that. So we can access that respect to our index and you modify that, and here you go. So this is how it works. So we basically say that to store multiple values and to also manipulate our collections of data very easily. So list is one of the most important data structures in Python. So that's all for this video guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.